In this video we are going to see how to download Java SDK in Windows 11. Click on Search. Type cmd. Then open Command Prompt with Administrator Access. Now type cls. Then type Java-version. Now you can see that Java is not installed. Now we will install Java SDK. Click on the link below in the description. Scroll down and you will find link for your Windows version. Now in my case my Windows 11 is 64-bit, so I will download it for 64-bit version. Now click download button. Once the file is downloaded, open the download folder. Open installer. Click Next. Again click Next. Once done, click Finish. Now open this PC and follow my screen. We have to look for JDK binary folder. Open bin directory. Copy this path. Now click Search. Type Settings. In Settings, type Environment Variables. Click on Edit Environment Variable link. Click on Advanced tab. Click Environment Variables button. In System Variables section, search for path variable and open it. If it is not there, then create new one. Now, add copied location in the path list. Now being on the same screen, click on New button. Now, type Java_home as variable name. Now go back to JDK folder. Come out of bin folder, follow my screen. Copy this path. And in value box, paste the location we have copied. Save the changes we made. Now close everything and let's quickly verify. Open cmd. And type the same command again. And here we see Java is now being invoked and the version is shown.